Usivamento, we cannot fail to thank you for the support. It is very genuine from your hearts. Take your time for watching it in the low budget, we reproduce badly. When you can even afford because on Netflix, so subscribe with 1,000 more, or watch professional movies. We see movies now Ghana, South Africa, Tanzania that are very competent over the movie. But when we see also online, what on my content we see about 50,000 views. There's another Kenyan movie, what was 5,000 views. I feel so proud to appreciate it. So it only takes a little investment to make one to the next level. Yeah. So personally, for this project, I want to thank Mugwana Kuruna Kiriago Nyariki. Is the executive producer by the way of this movie. Having gone to him and sold my vision to him, Naki, if we get this money, we can do a movie. I can trust, I can go do the movie. And we've done it. So I'm urging many other people who subscribe to content to the next level. It will help us so much if you can be touched. But I wish to sponsor your next script because people have very beautiful stories. We say explain story about it. From where story it touched people. There are many other stories. If people come together, I'm telling you, that's more 1 million or 100,000. Giving just 2,000, the movie more next. Lunch, there are 5,000. On the other hand, I can get camera manual.
As a movie, 9-day director. It has been awesome. Wow.
Asama kita baru perempuan modal, jadi work tensadi. Asam movie ni sebenarnya dia main nengi work na umusiki onyoletu mwana kari high school katu mabaka nyara busira nyawete abangana makomo ngabidi agenda to ngenda kukora ibintu ebiri. Ngenda kuba bira
Guy. Is that a story?
Najua sama kita baru kuja ada skill kan. Semu dia ni kan nalenge assistant director. Ande na ada kawan buat. Ande na ada kawan kerja yang na ada kawan ada. Engkau buat kerana karate. Ya sini engkau buat kerana karate.
Okay.
So era dia nalenge assistant director. I did the script and then I had to do work. So now I played a couple of roles and very good. In 8 years it's not really exactly for me.
So we watched the over there. No feeling guilty. Anyway, I'm going to do it. But yeah, the boy was turned down so many.
Mnaweza nipata kila mahali kila kona. Mostly watu hupatana social media. Social media najiita Yunuke the Actress Okenesha. Instagram ni Yunuke 26. YouTube ni Yunuke the Comedian. Hivyo tu. WhatsApp sina namba ya WhatsApp. Kwa wale wote mko hapa, subscribe to Okenesha channel. We love you guys. Somebody come to Laura Abuya. Somebody come to Laura Abuya. Nilikuwa na play role ya Scholar. Scholar is the second to the queen of prostitution.
and the role was a bit challenging, considering ilikuwa my first time. Yeah, but I enjoyed everything around acting. Yeah, it was so much fun, and yeah, I hope I get another opportunity to play another role in the next show. Facebook ni Laura Abuya bado. Yeah. Stay tuned for more stuff like this. Pale hapo ukionyesha.
Laura, for you, you've said it was it was a challenge. It was the first time. How did you feel doing this role as a prostitute? Do you feel like people will judge you when they watch the movie?
I honestly do hope my mom and dad never get to watch it because no, my parents can't see me like that.
Alright. What is the one challenge you felt this can be? We will have better sets in the future if we solve this one challenge.
Pardon?
Challenge kid what I don't know. If we have to do another movie with this production, this is the thing they should fix.
The one thing is actually getting, I don't know how to call it, help to one corner so that the cast doesn't have to do everything on their own. It takes a lot of time. Yeah, it will save us a lot if we got a help.
If we got like a set runner kufanya hizo vitu zote, it would be much better for the cast and crew.
Yeah.
Okay. Modesta, you hacked this part absolutely. Almost even on set thought this is actually what you do. Have you been in a position where you've done this before?
Actually, I've never. This is my first time. And I don't know what my fans will think about it. Because they always think I'm the best advisor ever. But it's just a movie, please. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. I was given a role and I had to execute it.
Yeah, amazing.
I'm still the cool lady.
Friend they had.
Yeah.
They haven't
You
lost
can
a
still
friend.
come to me. Yeah.
It was so easy to transition